thought I'd share a little mill tip that I do when I'm doing long runs on the mill. Here, let me show you. Basically, it's a long piece, and you're sitting here cranking and cranking. It takes a while with this type of mill. I don't have an auto feed or anything like that. So I do the poor man's next version. Put this on here like so. Boom. Turn on the mill. Let's turn on the mill first. And then, off we are. And now it's all squared up. This is the piece for the Back to the Future train. It's the main body. It's never really been squared up, so I thought I would, take it that extra step like I'm doing everything else on this train. I was originally just gonna mold it, but the original patterns I've had it for over 14 years now. Anyway, so give it that extra oomph, make it more accurate, all that stuff. I probably covered that on my last video. But just thought I'd share that little tip with you. Hopefully your mill has a screw on the end of it like this one does to do that. Alright, talk to you later. Bye.